Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You have power and new batteries. Now act. Hold the remote facing the unit and press the SET or mode button until its indicator glows. Don't release. Next, enter the first 3-4-digit code from the brand list. Press each digit deliberately so the remote registers them. Once done, point and press power to test. If the unit responds, make sure mode reads cool or the intended setting. If no response, repeat with the next code, keeping the batteries fresh and line of sight clear. If preset codes fail, use the auto search method. Press and hold search or auto until the indicator blinks, then let the remote cycle. This sends power pulses to find a match. Watch the AC. When it reacts, immediately press OK or stop to lock that code. Now, confirm the core functions. Change mode between cool, heat, or fan, adjust temperature up and down, and toggle fan speed and swing. Make sure each button change produces an expected response, so the remote and you finalize by saving the working code if your remote supports it. Then test it at different distances and angles to ensure reliable operation. If the AC still fails to respond, remove and reinsert batteries, perform a reset, then run auto search again. Sometimes the remote needs a clean start. Also check the AC's IR receiver for dust and confirm the indoor unit has power. If problems persist, try a universal reset sequence. These steps solve most issues quickly, so you can return to.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.